Last but not least, we have Nana Kwaku Gyamfi. Representative for Nana Akuoko Sarpong. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes.
Hello. Ma obibia ajo. It's about a month ago. Nana Akyem of Asante Agogo, Nana Buachi Yadom, gave me a call. Says he want me to come and represent Nana Akuoko Sarpong, BramaHene of Asante Agogo, which is today's occasion. Come be with Nana Tuuda. It's very, very, very nice occasion today to be here with all my people. I'll cut my story short. Nana Tuuda is a part of Ejase Akuoko in Asante Agogo, BramaHene tradition. Nana Tuuda is a part of Nkonim, or report liberation once every 40 days in Asante Agogo stores. We always meet once every 40 days. Me, Nana Tuuda, it's very, very important for us to meet at 3-4 a.m. to pour liberation for Nkonim, which is all the stools in Akuoko Sarpong, BramaHene tradition. Every single traditional thing that you guys saw here today, which is of liberation, is very, very important. It's not a joke. So every single drink that they pour, all the instances are listened. We have a Kwaside, Okude, all the Dabonins, and Asante region or in Ghana tradition. It's very, 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 I'm very, very pleased to be here tonight of Nana Akuoko Sarpong to choose me to be the part of this occasion. Nana Tuuda is very, very, very important in Agogo, including America and Philadelphia here. And Nkabomhene of America and Ghana. Everyone should give this man respect the way you guys always do. We're going to come here every year to support you, Nana. As long as you are alive, we'll be here every year to support you. Medase. Anwasi.